Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. So you can start by logging in to your Instagram here and then open the Instagram apps on your phone. Then head to your profile. So this is the Instagram that I want to transfer into another phone. And after that, you can just click on the three lines icon at the top, and this is the settings and activity options. You can just scroll down and then you need to log out in from this phone. So from this phone you can click on the logout button, but you need to make sure that you've already saved the login details on this phone, on this Instagram. So if you are already do so, you can just click on log out account again. Okay, so after you log out, you'll be on this page. So what you need to do next is just use the your phone feature to transfer all of your data, including apps and also all of the data to another phone. So after that, when you open the other phone, this login, this page will be open, and if you already saved the login details, so it might not be a problem. You can just click on the login again on the other phone, and just like that, now the Instagram account has been transferred. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.